Welcome to our Magic Art channel. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today, we are going to draw a cute cartoon duck step by step. This drawing is very easy and perfect for kids and beginners. First, take a clean white paper and a black gel pen. We start by drawing the outline of the duck's head. Make it round and smooth. Then draw a long, slightly curved beak in front. Next, draw two big cartoon eyes. Make them large and expressive. Inside the eyes, add black pupils and leave a small white highlight to give a shiny, lively look. Now, let's draw the body. The body should be a bit oval and bigger than the head. Keep the lines soft and rounded to make it look cute. After that, draw the wings on the side. Keep them small and simple, then add a little tail at the back with a few curved lines. Now draw the legs and feet. The legs should be short, and the feet should be wide and slightly spread out, like a cartoon-style duck. Great! Now our outline is complete. Let's start coloring. First, color the body using a light yellow shade. You can use crayons, color pencils, or markers, whatever you have. Next, color the beak and the feet with a bright orange color. This will make the duck look more vibrant and fun. Now, fill the eyes. Color the pupils black and keep the white part clean so the eyes look shiny and alive. After that, let's add a cool cap on the duck's head. Color the cap with a bright blue color. This makes the duck look stylish and playful. Finally, take your black marker again and go over the outlines to make them bold and clean. This step makes your drawing look more professional, and that's it. Your cute cartoon duck is now complete. You can also try different colors and styles to make your drawing unique. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafez.